guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a brand new product to share with you. This is the wireless front passenger seat control. So the driver can control a front passenger seat when someone's sitting in the back and you want to move the front passenger seat forward, both the seat and then the reclining part. Also let the rear passenger to control the seat. Like usually I have an issue when my daughter is sitting in the back on her car seat and I'm driving with her alone, so I have to usually move the seat forward so she has more leg room. So this is wireless, you can put anywhere you want. For me, I would prefer put on the other side of front passenger seat, so both the rear passenger and the driver will have access to this control. Alright, so today I will show you what comes in the box, and then a quick installation for this. Shouldn't be hard, it should be really easy. And at the end we'll test this seat controller and show you how it works. Let's go. Let's see what comes in the box of this front passenger seat controller from T-Lart. So first thing we see is that controller for the front passenger seat. This is wireless, so you can put this anywhere in your car to control that passenger seat. And this is the transmitter that will communicate with the wireless seat controller here. So there's spares adhesive in case you want to change the location of that seat controller, and it came with a few zip ties to manage your cable. This is the adhesive for that box right here, for this box. It also came with the key for the screws that you have to unscrew on the seat cover on the side. I'll show you later. This is the wire harness that came in this box. So the white plug right here is a pass-through for a power for that controller box. And then this is the pass-through for the seat. So we will plug into the side of the passenger seat to get the seat control. And then this is the plug that you plug into control box that communicate with the seat controller. Okay, now let's go and install on my Tesla Model 3. I got this wireless passenger seat control from tlart.com. T-Lart offers a variety of Tesla accessories for all Tesla model. So if you are interested in this product, you can use my special discount code TC35 to get that extra 35% off on this product. And with that 35% off, it drops down to $61 from $34. That's really awesome discount. So they are having this early Black Friday 35% discount for limited time only. Now, let's start with the installation. Okay, before we start the installation, you will need the plastic trim removals to remove some of the trims on the side of the passenger seat. I got these from Amazon.com and it's really useful. It's not at all one-time use. I've been using this a lot. So I'll put the link in the description down below for these awesome removals tools. Alright, now let's continue with the installation. Okay, first thing first, we have to remove this panel right here and then this panel right here on the bottom part to access the power port from there to get the power. So, but before we can remove this out, we have to take this piece out first. Let's do that now. We can use one of the trim removal tools. Just pop on the top part. There you go. And then we can remove this piece really easily. Just like that. They all clips here. Now we just remove the rubber seals out so it's easier to access. Just easy, just pull it out like that. We'll just put it back in later and just leave it outside. Let me show you. So after you pull it out, just leave it outside like this. So because we have to take this panel off. Now we need to take this clip off. So there's no screw, just the plastic clip. You use one of the tools and just pop it off like that. Save this one for later. We'll put it back in. That's it. Now we should be able to remove this whole panel out right here. Now just take this panel out. This is one clip right here, one right here, and one right here. That's it. Okay, so before we unplug anything, make sure you turn off the car first. Just go to service, just go to safety, and then roll all the way down. Just turn off the power right there. Make sure the power is off. Okay, so there's a white pass-through. This is for Model 3. So we are going to unplug this, and then we're going to plug the pass-through to get the power to our unit, and then we'll run the cable down here. Just run the cable down here on the side, and then we'll have to open this one after. Just unplug here, just use the small screwdriver, push it to unlock, and then just pull it out, just like that. Now we just insert the plug from T-Lord in same spot, plug, and then insert the original plug from the car. Now we get that power pass through in, so insert that in. That's it. So now we're just gonna try to manage the cable and have it in here. Now before we put this panel back in, let's remove this seat control panel first. It's really easy. There's only one screw right here on the bottom. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you the screw real quick. Right there. And you use this, I believe this is T20 on that screw right there. Let's remove it now. That's it. Really simple. The screw came out and the seat will come out. Here's the screw. Now we have this unassembled. Get ready to put everything together. So we just ran the cable and then go underneath the carpet. It's like a Velcro. You can pop it off and then go underneath, and then go underneath the panel right here. So you can pop this pass-through plug out. So we have to unplug the original one and then use the pass-through to get that control. So just unplug the original one, came out, and then we just plug in the pass-through. There, that's it. So we just plug in the original plug into the pass-through port, just like that. Now we should have the control back to the seat there. Okay, so last step here, we just plug this one more available plug that has like a number on it, and plug into the controller box. This will transmit the signal to the wireless controller from the seat control. So just plug that in. Boom, done. So now we just test the adhesive tape, and then we're just gonna hide it underneath the seat somewhere. That's it. Okay, so now I just need to put everything back together, and then we'll test the unit. Okay, so I'm done putting everything back together. It's really easy, really quick to do. Alright, now let's test it real quick before we attach this somewhere. So this would go back. See that? See it going back. And then this would go forward. So let's see it go forward. And then this would recline the seat, as you can see, all the way, and then recline back. So now the driver's seat can adjust the front passenger seat, also the rear seat passenger also can adjust the front passenger seat. It's really cool. Alright, I think I know the perfect spot for the driver and rear passenger seat to be able to adjust this. Okay, I think this is the perfect spot right here. So the driver can still control it, and then the rear passenger can reach here and then control the seat also. Let me put it on real quick. So just remove the adhesive and then just like that. Really simple. Boom, done. So now the front passenger, the front driver, so you can control the seat. I don't have to reach over there to try. It's really far to try to control the seat, or sometimes you have to get out of the car and go over on the other side. Now let me go to the back and try to control it from there. Okay, now I'm in the rear passenger seat. So now see, I can reach and then control it. It's all the way to the front, all back, all recline. You could do all the way. Now just push the backrest back up. Really cool. Yeah, this is awesome. It's really helpful accessory for sure for anybody with kids or not. So now my daughter can just reach that button right there and then control the front passenger seat. And if I'm sitting in the front right here, I can control that's the front passenger seat without having to reach over or get off the car and then go on the other side to control it. So that's it for today's video, guys. As you can see, the installation was really simple and not difficult at all. It would take less than half an hour to probably install this wireless front passenger seat control. So now I have that controller to control the front passenger seat. When I install it there, it looks like it belongs there. It doesn't look out of place at all. So it looks really awesome, and it's really helpful accessories for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Alright, thank you for watching today's video, guys. I'll put the link of this product in the description down below, also special discount code for you. And don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, and for future contents, we'll see you on the next video.